If you're needing to make edits to your loan terms or your property details, we now have that ability. Simply go over to your application tab and scroll down to your loan terms and property details. And you're going to see these pencil icons that are going to give you the ability to go in here and make those edits, all while on the app instead of going onto the desktop. Whether we need to adjust a purchase price or a down payment source, or even add in a gift. Also, for the property details, we can edit that as well. You're going to be able to either add in your address or any other information. We're also going to have the ability to adjust details about the property itself, so that once you make these changes, you now have the ability to, again, go in here and select new product according to the new information you've provided to your application and your loan.